अगेन हमेशा बस अब मैं और नहीं कर सकती.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi ma'am. And hello everyone.
Oh, we have Ashish Kumar Kohli. I'm with you. कोई बात नहीं, देखी जाएगी. Today is going to be a very different, very nice, very thought-provoking kind of a session. Time for introducing yourself.
Myself, Amitabh Porashar. My hometown is in Assam. My strength take initiative to the work independently. My short-term goal is to get a job in a rapid company.
Myself, Mohammad Nader, and I am from UP, Aligarh. And I have done my 12th from AMU, Aligarh Muslim University.
My name is Arjun. I'm from Bijnor. I'm doing my second year of graduation right now. My job in the IGT Gurgaon. Harvinder ma'am just gave me the opportunity to work in the IGT. So right now I'm also in my shift.
I am Shivani Arya and I'm from beautiful state Uttarakhand. I'm very introvert person.
My name is Ranjit Kaur. I'm from Punjab. I'm a very curious person.
Who has been your mentor and how he or she has influenced your life?
For me, my parents and obviously my teachers. If you are having any kind of problem, speak with them and you will also find a good solution.
The main is my uncle. He is my only mentor.
वैसे तो मेरी पूरी फैमिली है बट मेरे ख्याल से मेरा जो बड़ा भाई है वो, क्योंकि वो बहुत समझाता है लाइक स्टडी एंड ऑल या फिर जो तुम्हारा मन करे.
My father is my first priority. But my father has passed away. He's a very good guy and I respect my father all time.
Famous personality और famous cricketer Sir MS Dhoni.
ऐसा विनर्स क्या करते हैं जिससे कि वो अलग होते हैं हम लोगों से? 7 tips on how to become a winner. Winners are goal oriented. Take responsibility. Don't be afraid of failure. Success does not come to people who do not fail at all. Be committed. You have to be 100% committed. Don't procrastinate. Put it for the next time. They know the value of time. Always be in the learning mode. Work hard. Winners work 95%.
Center aims to make air travel affordable for common person. 1,000 new routes, 100 new airports by 2025 under Udan scheme. British Airways doubles weekly flight from India. SpiceJet to begin trial of ITA travel pass. There is some very good news on the visas front. A lot of countries has opened up about the hotels. In 2021, 61 new hotels are opening in India. Bangalore will have 14 new hotels. Now talking about the latest update, Delhi Airport declared the best airport in India and Central Asia.
एक चर्च में मीटिंग हो रही थी जहाँ पे एक हेड बैठे हुए थे और जब ये मीटिंग चल रही थी तो उसी टाइम एक एंजल अपीयर हुए और उन्होंने आके बोला आई वांट टू रिवॉर्ड यू. 3 चॉइस हैं, उसमें से आप क्या लेना चाहेंगे? इनफाइनाइट वेल्थ, फेम और इनफाइनाइट विजडम. हेड थे, उन्होंने बिना कुछ सोचे फट से बोला आई वांट इनफाइनाइट विजडम एंड दिस गाय स्टार्टेड ग्लोइंग अप विद द ऑरा ऑफ विजडम. एंड जितने भी आसपास बैठे हुए थे वो सब उसकी शक्ल देखने लगे और यू नो दे वर सो शॉक्ड. उसने मांगा नहीं. गॉड सेज if you have the right knowledge and the wisdom, then all the other things are attached to it. They come as a bonus to you. Wisdom is all about having the experience, the knowledge and good judgment. 3 E's. We all are so eager to know about more and more. We also want to grow intelligence. How do we get wisdom in life? Epics. There is so much of epic literature available with the right knowledge and wisdom. Number 2 is experts. They won some battles and they lost battles also. But at the end of the day, they did win the war. And the last, experience. Whatever you have learned, when you apply it on yourself, you will learn the best for yourself. Epics plus the experts plus the experience is equal to good wisdom.
The best takeaway from today's session?
Yes, ma'am. My best takeaway is always grip and set inspiration in short stories. Inspires us all.
Wealth is not important than wisdom. Knowledge is more important than experience also.
My best takeaway is knowledge.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you everyone. Have a great fortnight. Bye bye. See you on 14th.